what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I felt like working on a dirty car today. So this is my 2014 Scion FRS. If you're looking to do an immediate bolt change, I'm going to show you guys that right away and how to install one of these. Stay tuned. This is a vlog channel from all my cars. 2014 Scion FRS, Toyota Celica GTS, 2005, 2000 MR2 Spider, Toyota, 2006 Lotus EXIGE. Got a lot of black and red cars. That being said, I'm going to show you guys real quickly how to install, and then I'm also going to detail on this the YouTube video. I'm going to show you guys how to install a trunk. You might want to be doing a carbon fiber, great video for that. You might want to be doing replacing one like I'm doing. You might want to be doing a wing spoiler, things. All that video can be done in this video. This is a nice how-to video. So first things first, here's my 2014. The first thing that you need to do, and the reason that I'm doing it in this video real quick is because I got a dent right here. A tree fell on my car. Tree fell on my car. I live in Washington. It sucks. You come over here, you hit the little button to open up the trunk hatch. Okay, right there, it opens. Ta-da, one and done. His car's very dirty and I can't wait to clean it. In Washington we get a lot of like tree debris right here. It's just so dirty. I don't know if it shows. It totally shows up on camera. Okay, first things first. Again, this is a dent in it, so we're going to be removing this. Here's the one that I found off of Facebook Marketplace. That's where that one came from. I look at OfferUp, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, all those good spots. I love secondhand stuff. You can also look for forums. What we're going to do, first things first, is you're going to want to remove this key because I want to keep the same keyhole to the other keyhole. Inside of here, there's two 8mm bolts. 1, 2, get that off, pull this out. I'll show you how to do it right now. Let me get the two 8mm. Okay, 8mm, two 8mm right here. Then you'll just wiggle this guy, you walk it back towards you, it comes out, there you go. It's at a weird angle so that you can get it out of there. Super simple. See it? It's off. Okay, right here, now you want to keep this. It's cool, it comes with a little seal here. You want to keep this one unit here because this key lock matches your key. All you got to do is slide this green thing off and then this ball will come out. There you go, matching key. God forbid the fob thing doesn't work or whatever. You have that now so you can manually open the trunk lid. That's off. Okay, there is power that goes to this. Now the only else thing that's connecting it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's one unit. Believe it or not, these struts you can keep the same ones and go with the other ones that I have. I'm going to look at the condition of each latch. I think that latch has better, so we'll probably use that new latch one. I think that's a 16 and this is a 14. All interchangeable. Okay. That being said, what you're going to want to do now is you're going to pull on this. Look at that, it came out. And then right here, oh, by the way, if you swing by MITSUBISHI.com, you get an LED underneath there. You're going to push down on this clip and push and pull. 1, 2, 3, push, 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 push. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. And pull. Oh, I'm going to use 2 hands. Okay, power's out, push and pull. It comes out through here. Let's go. Up, and now we're out. Now we're not, literally, this is just floating here. One of the things is I'm going to want to keep my license plate, obviously. And then, yeah, that actually came with it. And then that one does have the FRS badge and the Scion badge, which I'll probably end up removing. I do want to keep my LEDs out of here. So lefty loosey, these are from MITSUBISHI.com, LED. And I'm going to want to put those in the new one as well, lefty loosey. Pull these out, put these over to the new ones. Okay, I'm assuming, I guess, and I said 14, they're not, they're 12s. Let's go get a couple 12 sockets. Okay, 12mm goes right into the body. That's off. Can you do this with one person? I think you can. I'm gonna tuck my arm, I'm gonna hold my arm onto the actual, like my left arm onto it, and then use the impact or your tool to lefty loosey these two, and then just carry it off with my left arm and walk away with it. I think that'll work. This one can be damaged because it's already damaged. I might sell it for $100 because there's a big dent here. The real reason I wanted this is because I actually like that OEM wing. What is this? Is this just a TRD OEM wing? I think this is just a TRD, but I'm not sure. I think it's just a stock wing. I think the TRD one has a stick thing here and then it goes here, and then there's like the Nuremberg one, which is like my 2 TRD ones that are in the garage, which I may switch over. Currently I just like this look. I think this is a nice sleek look. I went a little bit different with this kit with that the 5 axis, is that what it is? 5 axis, 580, 5 axis. buddy kit. So I'm liking this look that I have going here. This will be just a nice little kicker, a little, you know, extra spoiler that I think will look good. And I didn't want a dent on mine. So this, you can do this too. Very, very simple. Again, this is probably gonna be a 1-star, maybe 2-star, because you might need a frame. Let's buzz these two off and use that trick. Okay, believe it or not, you can actually take all 4 bolts off and it just sits there. That's awesome. A little hack, pull off this strut so you can reach these two easier. That one I didn't. Now to use a little swivel. This is way easier, just pop this off. Okay, I'm assuming I can just lift it up. Yeah, I can. I'm gonna put you guys down and just lift it up. There you go, ultra sleek. Lightweight, shedded some weight. Look at this thing. I hope it doesn't rain. Washington, right? There we go, it's off. Let's clean this and do a nice little detail inside of here. Make this perfect. I don't think there's any rings or anything that are missing. There might be one washer that goes right here. That being said, it's super easy. Actually, it's gonna be a 1-star because I did it myself. Let's clean all that and then grab the new one. Okay, a little bit of cleaning. You know, it's me. That looks so much better. We're ready to grab the other new OEM plus OEM. Put it on here. Okay, technically, if you're here just to see a hatch switch, there you go, hatch switch. 12-12, pull that right off. Now you just put these clips back in and literally plug that clip back in and you're done. So if you're looking for that, there you go, YouTube. Welcome to the easy how-to. Now if you're here for me and my awesome content, what we're gonna do now is make this thing better. So first off, we wanna lefty-loosey these. See right here, this is an incandescent bulb. It's ugly. So we're gonna pull both those out right there and we're gonna reinstall MITSUBISHI.com. Swing by MITSUBISHI.com and get some of my LEDs so that they're blue. Here's the bad news though, is that one of the things is that I noticed is that the previous owner decided to be a jackaloon and cut these. Also, this car has a camera. Is this factory? That'd be amazing if I can figure it out. I'm not sure. So first things first, let's do, let's come over and take a look at those lines inside of there to see if they match up, so we can just use that clip to, I can just splice these together if they all match up. If they do not all match up, then what I'll do is I will unhook these cables. I will unhook all this. I'll unhook all the cables and take the old one and put it back on here. But let's start by doing things. I'll put the LEDs back away and then see if I can splice that. Next step, the LEDs are back in. We're putting the lock hatch back in, so I swap that over. Now I just need to put it back up in there and connect the two 8mm. Here's the new one, which was in a little bit better condition, but that's okay. This key doesn't match my key, so just disregard that, even though I do have the key for this. Maybe I'll sell that. Nah, you won't. No, I don't know why anyone would want that. Okay, let's put this on now with the two 8mm and then figure out the wiring. Okay, so this is the camera. I just don't know. I don't think that that's OEM. It could be. But maybe mine doesn't have that option, or maybe it does. Maybe it's just missing the pin. I'm not sure. But this wire harness matches. It matches. Maybe it does. Let's look here. No. So there's 4 that. Well, so I'll just connect these 4. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the camera, the information. That'd be so sweet if it did. So we'll come over here. We'll cut right here. We'll splice these back in and just use this plug and play literally from the other one. Super simple. Funny, these are I think all Subaru. Why does everything say Subaru on it? It's supposed to be a Toyota. I drive a Subaru now. Okay, I've wired everything up. I pulled the bulbs back out. What you need to do now is we're gonna drop, see right here, I'm gonna drop this through this guy right through back here. And then this will look aesthetic, I promise. I'm gonna clean it all up. So we'll put this back through here. We'll plug this in real quick and hopefully we get some action. Yep, there we go. Do we have any action? No, we don't have any action. Maybe the keys aren't on. Or the lights aren't on. Let's look here. This should show us some action. LEDs. No, no action. So let's figure out what's going on. Okay, we are good. So the issue was I just needed to flip the polarization of the LEDs. They turned on. That means this works. And then we should hear a little latch clunk. Let's hear a latch clunk. Does this work? Let's see. Oh yeah, heck yeah, Mitch, you freaking awesome stud. So that works. Okay, now the next thing we're gonna do is make that look aesthetic. So I'm gonna wrap it up in black tape and then hide it up inside of there. Okay, we did it. Oh, I gotta put my LEDs back in. Okay, I gotta put those in here. Get one, two. Okay, here we go. With the struts, all in the struts, all you gotta do is push them in here, right here, sorry. Push into the, right there. Let's slowly close. Bam. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That looks so good. Okay, moment of truth. I gotta try this. We gotta try this. Moment of truth. Mitch, did you do it? From one car to another car. Did you do it, Mitch? Oh, wrong button. Oh, you're a genius. That looks so good. I'm absolutely thrilled. So I'm gonna do a nice wash on it. It looks pretty good. I think it lines up pretty well. I'm pretty happy with the way it lines up. You can adjust it if you want to have it a little bit lined, a little bit different. It kind of maybe, it might need to come back a little bit, which you can do, or forward a little bit. It's actually hard to find the body line, but overall, it looks pretty good to me. But you can move it back and forth, depending on what you want. But man, I absolutely love it so much. I wanted that spoiler. You know, of course, with tree fell on my car, but it looks really good. I love it. I am so happy with this result. So let me detail the car. That's how you do it. Really, really simple. About a 1-star since the thing stood up by itself. You can actually do this all by yourself. I'd actually encourage you to do this. My funny hat. All by yourself. Amazing. If you want the LEDs, swing by my website, of course. Let's go ahead, and I'm gonna do it off camera, but I'm gonna make this thing shine and do the intro video. Oh, it's so good. I love it. You should do this. You should definitely get a spoiler for it. I like this spoiler, especially with these tail lights, and then with that rear spat in the skirt. Dude, we're looking good. You guys do not believe how affordable this car was. This looks really, really good. This is one of my favorite cars in my garage. Okay, I detailed the inside, and then obviously this is my favorite shot. Soapied up red and black car. Dude, this car looks so good. I'm not afraid to drive this car now. Like, I used to be like, I need a more exotic-y looking car. Like, I like the flashiness. You know, this looks so flashy. Like, if I saw this FRS, I'd break my head. It looks like a baby Ferrari. I'm not kidding. This one looks so good. So much better than all the other kits. I love it. I'm so happy with my build. Okay, let me do one more final wash, or get all the soap off, wrap up the video. That's how you do it. This is an amazing trunk install. Thank you so much if you made it to the end of the video. I really appreciate you. Swing by my website. It's good stuff on there. I do have some FRS stuff on there. Not too much, but some. I love this video. I think these are good videos. I really do like the Scion. I think, am I zoomed in? No, now we're zoomed in. I really do like the FRS. I think this is a great car. This is a bang for the buck. You should buy one. You should really buy one. Perfect entry sports car. That being said, mine now looks like a 10 out of 10. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous, drop dead, beautiful, absolutely 10 out of 10 car. I'm loving it. There's not much more exterior stuff. This either just needs a turbo kit or a supercharger. I'm probably going to go with a turbo. My wife drives this, so she probably doesn't want any of that. It does need a new clutch, but now the exterior of this thing is a 10 out of 10. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. If you like the content, hit the like button. I'll see you guys on the next video real soon. What are we gonna be doing next? Probably some Lotus stuff, some CELICA stuff, some MR2 stuff. Got a lot of good stuff. Like, subscribe, swingmymitch.com. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next video.